Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers 718-380-0006.
By the way, folks, Ted resided in Canada for a while, but now he's inside of the United States of America. These colors down here, we don't run. And of course, as a Jamaican, you know we definitely don't run. All right? 31 minutes after the hour, 4 o'clock. We take it until 5 o'clock. Then we hand it over to another producer right here on 93.5 WVIP. We take some time out of our Sundays to come in studios for 1 hour to remind you about empowerment. And of course, we just heard from an attorney from Spar & Bernstein, Adam Handler. But right now, we got one of the most powerful mortgage companies in our studios. How many people out there right now is fighting expenses? Fighting the bills, worried about where they're going to get money in another month, in 2 months, in 3 months, in 4 months. How they're going to pay those credit card bills. You're still paying the monthly payments. Well, guess what, folks? Ted, my yard friend, is in the studios. He's from First Republic Mortgage Bankers, a 13-year-old bank that has been helping thousands of individuals. We're not going to let him talk too long. I'm not going to talk too long. DJ Sean is ready to get back to the music. Because it's a Sunday, we're going to be playing music like what you just heard and also give away some tickets for the Jam Rock Reggae Festival. But Ted, what is the interest rate right now that, of course, First Republic Mortgage Bankers is advocating for before we even give out the numbers for you to speak with some key individuals who would like to refinance their properties and get a very low interest rate, wiping out all of their credit card bills and even, of course, school loans and other bills. All their loans, as a matter of fact, and all their bills. What is the interest rate, Ted?
Well, Squeeze, I'm encouraging everybody to call because interest rates are rising. They're still historically at very low rates. We've got a 5.75 for 30 years, $6.57 APR, and $5.84 per $1,000 of loan. That is the rate that we are promoting. That's the rate that we encourage people to call for because that is as good as it gets right now.
And you know what? That's not a rate we're promoting, man. That is a rate that we have right now.
Absolutely. And if anybody calls now, they will be locked in.
Locked in right here at 433 on Link Up Radio 93.5 WVIP. But the only way to get locked in right now is to call us in our studios. Hold on, gonna give it a number. But I want to remind you folks, a lot of us are out there sitting down on our credit card bills. Let's run down some of the credit card bills that people have. They got Visas. What else do they have?
They have MasterCard. They have, besides, they have
American Express. They got American the Discover cards.
Right. They got
the store cards. They got all of those cards.
All of that. They got student loan debt. They got tax bills. They got all kinds of judgments.
What about consolidating all those debts? Bringing all those debts into one bill, paying one low monthly payment, and fixing everybody's problems.
Please, that's the way to go. At 5.75, you can't lose. I mean, if you compare that to what they'll be paying for a credit card or what they're paying on a judgment, they just simply can't lose. This is the way to go. And as the economy sinks into a deeper and deeper recession, it just doesn't make sense to me that anybody wouldn't do this.
Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to appeal to everyone to make the call right now because no banks, I have not seen, and I just read the New York Times. I was sitting at a diner eating, and I just read the New York Times, and the rates that they're offering in comparison to a similar loan program is much higher than what First Republic Mortgage Bankers is offering for refinancing right now. Once again, folks, if you're a homeowner, here's your chance to refinance at 5.75%, 30 years fixed, and we have got Ted, the loan officer, physically in our building. He's got his team, he's got his equipment. If you've got some credit problems, thinking that you can't be refinancing right now because of your credit problems, hey, think again because we've got Ted from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. So here's the number right now. Call this number, speak with Ted. Squeeze is going to help out with the phone lines. I'm going to talk to you also because I am a true success story, simply meaning that I have used First Republic Mortgage Bankers several times, just like several other individuals. But what about you? It's a Sunday. You're sitting home. You're relaxed. And you still have debts. Come on, folks. You don't want to wake up next week with those debts. We can fix those problems. Lock it in right now with a very low interest rate. Right here, right now, in our radio studios. The number to call right now. When ready? 718-325-5555. I repeat, do not wait, folks. Procrastination, do not do it. 718-325-5555. All homeowners, if you don't have 5.75%, let us give that to you. We can get you locked in immediately. This way you can pay off all bills holding you down in a negative way. We want to put you on a positive path. And here is the number, First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When it comes to real estate financing, even when you're purchasing, we can give you the lowest possible rate in the nation. Here's the number, 718-325-5555. Ted, you got to go grab the phone lines because they're blazing right now. I'll come back to you right before the show is over. All right, sir?
Wonderful.
That's Ted, folks, my good Jamaican yard friend. Okay, he's now at First Republic Mortgage Bankers, helping out a lot of folks.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.